So, changing cabin air filter for 2021 Honda CRV. So this is the part for Napa 302986. So what we just need is we need a tool for 5 by 16. So this is my tool for stand. So let's remove it. So with a cabin air filter for Hondas, you still need to get the still need to have this screws. You can actually use a Phillips screws if you guys want it as well. I just prefer this one. This is tight. This is tight. Not this one. This one I can use in my hand. Use my hand to unscrew it, but the other one is tight. So there's gonna be 4 screws. A little bit tighter here. Still tight. Still tight. There. So this one doesn't remove by itself, right? But this is the cabin air filter. Look how dirty it is. Ouch. Disgusting. So this one is the same one. This is made in. Doesn't say. It's made in China. So you put it this way. So test fit it. So you're gonna see there's like a like a space in here. So you just need to put right there. What we're gonna do is screw them back. And make sure it fit it.